BJ 2.2.11. Bagi Anda yang tidak melaporkan sejumlah uang
table to its original position and keep your windows hands open. If you have been using any electronic equipment during the flight such as laptops, CD players, or any other portable electronic devices, please ensure this is off now. Please be informed that lavatory may no longer be used at this moment. Thank you.
Tetaplah duduk sampai lampu tanda kenakan sabuk pengaman dipadamkan. Ketika meninggalkan pesawat nanti, pastikan Anda telah membawa seluruh barang bawaan Anda. Hati-hati ketika membuka bagasi di atas untuk menghindari kemungkinan tertimpa barang-barang yang bergeseran selama penerbangan. Atas nama Kapten dan seluruh awak kabin, kami ucapkan selamat jalan dan kami berharap dapat berjumpa lagi. Terima kasih.
Ladies and gentlemen, we have just landed. Please remain seated with your seatbelts fastened until the seatbelt sign has been switched off. When you leave the aircraft, make sure you take all your belongings with you. Take care when opening the overhead bins, as the contents may have shifted during the flight. On behalf of the captain and the crew, we would like time to say goodbye, and we hope to meet you again soon.
女士们、先生们，我们刚刚着陆，请您保持入座，系好您的座位安全带，直至座位安全带指示灯关闭为止。离开机舱时，请您带好您的所有物品，打开您上方储存箱，请小心，物品在飞行过程中。我谨代表机长和机属人员向您告别，希望不久再见到您，谢谢。
My name is Indra, welcome aboard the flight number 270 Airbus 320 bound for Sultan Iskandar Muda of Banda Aceh. The flight to Banda Aceh will take about 1 hour and 15 minutes with a cruising altitude of 36,000 feet. Weather to Banda Aceh according with the forecast reported cloudy. So it's the weather at Sultan Iskandar Muda Airport on arrival. Sit back, relax, enjoy your flight. Thank you for flying with us.
Para tamu yang terhormat, lampu tanda kenakan sabuk pengaman baru saja dinyalakan. Silakan kembali ke tempat duduk Anda dan kenakan sabuk pengaman selama lampu tanda kenakan sabuk